Hi there. Today we'll dig little deep for the topic like concentration because as a student we just have to sit on the desk and focus on the textbooks just to mug up in the mind and put it on the paper just when the at the time of exam. So it is little more important for us to get the text or to indulge in the study because everyone wanted a sharp intellect, everyone wanted to increase their focus level. We all know that how much concentration is necessary for us. In my views, our concentration depend upon how we interact with ourselves and what type of question we ask to ourselves. And if you think deeply, you will find that at every moment you are at unceasing interaction with the self. Let me give you an example. Let's think that during the exam days, you are studying in the room, and in another room, there is your siblings and parents, let's say, are watching the movie on TV and they are enjoying it. So, just they raise a little bit of volume, and due to this, you are distracted. You just immediately asked, who increased the volume? And don't you know my studies is going on and my exam days are going on right now and I'm studying here, and this noise will distract me, and at the time of exam I'll forget everything. Do you really think how dull is our concentration? If you goes in the market, और अगर हम मान ले कि लेट्स से एक बार्बर है, वो अपना काम ठीक से कर रहा है यार, irrespective of the sounds on the road, traffics and other chirpings of people, murmuring and all these stuffs, वो अपना काम ठीक कर रहा है, वो डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं हो रहा. और लेट्स से हमारे घर के सामने कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम चल रहा है, तो जो डेली वेजेस वर्कर होते हैं वो अपना काम ठीक कर रहे हैं, जबकि हमारे कॉलोनी में साउंड्स वगैरह और तरीके की डिस्टरबेंस भी रहती है, लेकिन वो डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं हो रहे. तो फिर हम एज अ स्टूडेंट, एज अ विद्यार्थी, हम डिस्ट्रैक्ट क्यों जाते हैं एक्सटर्नल वॉइस से? हैज इट एवर हैपन टू यू? क्योंकि मेरे साथ तो ये हुआ है और शायद आपके साथ भी हुआ हो. लेट्स you are sitting in the classroom and you are thinking something that you like while your teacher is in classroom teaching, and she find that you are not listening to her lecture. She calls you by her name but you are unaware of it. Again she calls you again and again, but you didn't respond. You are lost in your dreams, and ultimately your teacher throw a piece of chalk to awake you from your daydreams. Then suddenly you realize, oh, where I am, and I am sitting in the classroom. Now when teacher asks you what she is teaching and at what page number they are in, you even don't know about which chapter is going on in the class. Doesn't this is your experience in your life? I believe yes. Those who believe that their concentration is weak must have realized that how strong their concentration is. It is so strong that you are unable to hear the call of their teacher. Doesn't this require a strong concentration? If this would not have been the case, then you would have felt that your teacher's voice is distracting you. It wasn't unable you to be on your thought. It was calling you back to the classroom and directing you to the study. But you are unable to hear the voice of your teacher. It is proof that you have a good and strong concentration. And with these examples, I am trying to explain that, in my views, I reckon that sound is not a culprit. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Jai Hind.